So hi all, welcome to our YouTube channel, and we also have a website with the same name, datamahadev.com, where you can read articles related to machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, Python, artificial intelligence, data science, etc. In the previous few videos, we discussed about linspace, basic statistical functions using Numpy. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to generate random numbers in Numpy using Numpy. Excuse me. Let us say take v6 and take the function np.random.randn 5 comma 5. Now this 5 represents what? This 5 represents row, and excuse me, this 5 represents column. So v6, as you can see, it has generated random numbers, and this basically function random.randn is what it generates basically I'm sorry, not syntax, it generates decimal numbers in positives and in negatives as well. All right, so this is what it is. So that's how we generate. Just to write np, the object of numpy, dot random dot randn, and whatever shape you want to enter. Now if we basically cross check the shape of the matrix v6, it will show us as what? It will show us as 5 by 5, because we have defined 5 by 5 over here. Or similarly, if we have 10 comma 5 over here, so it is going to print 10 rows and 5 columns, and when we run this v6 dot shape, it will be updated to 10 comma 5. All right, so this is how we generate floating point random numbers in a matrix, using numpy, in a matrix using numpy. Next, we'll see how to generate random how to generate random integer numbers. All right, how to generate random integer numbers. So let us have, in the comment box, we'll write random integer numbers. All right, so this is what we'll take v7, and we'll take np.random.randint. All right, randint, and we'll write 9 comma, all right, 5 comma 5 over here. All right, so this is what it is. All right, just a second. Just a second. All right, 0 comma 9. All right, so let us I forgot to write 0 over here, no worries. So let us see what is 0 comma 9 over here. Excuse me, and what is 5 comma 5 over here. Let us print the shape of v7, which is v7 dot shape 5 comma 5. So this 5 comma 5 represents what? Rows and columns. If I write over here 10 comma 5, so it will give me a matrix of 10 rows and 5 columns. So this represents rows, this represents column, and this represents what? Low, high. All right, basically the range of the matrix. So it will print what? It will print numbers from 0 to 8. It will exclude 9. It will print numbers from 0 to 8. It will do what? It will exclude 9. As you can see, there is no 9 present in this matrix v7. All right, if I write 10 over here, now it will do what? It will exclude 10 and include 9. As you can see, 9 has been included twice or thrice. If we look deeper, maybe 4 times, we'll find more of 9. But as of now, we can see only 3 9s over here. So this is how it is. If we write 1 comma 10 over here, it will do what? It will exclude 0 now. It will do what? It will basically include 10. It will exclude 0 because we haven't included 0. But if we write 1 comma 10 over here, so it will do what? It will exclude 10 and write numbers from 1 to 10. All right, let us keep it 5 rows and 5 columns. So this is what it is. 11 it is, so 10. So the syntax is random dot rand int low lowest number comma highest number. Highest number, remember, will get excluded. All right, then comma rows and columns you want to write off. So this is how we generate random numbers in a matrix using Numpy. In the next video, we will see what? We will see how to access rows and columns of a particular matrix. Till then, keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing. If you have any doubts, any queries, feel free to reach out to us in the comment box or mail or through LinkedIn. Thanks a lot, everyone.